Gentlemen, let's talk about something most men only ever whisper about. There's a question I know has probably crossed your mind at some point. Maybe late at night, maybe after scrolling the internet. What actually happens to my prostate if I masturbate every single day? If you've searched for answers online, you've likely come across some pretty alarming claims. It wears out your prostate, it causes inflammation, it might even raise your risk of cancer. Those warnings sound scary, and understandably they stick because prostate cancer is one of the biggest health fears for men as we age. But here's the thing, much of that fear is based on outdated myths, half-truths, or moral warnings disguised as health advice. So today, we're going to cut through the noise and look at the science. And I'm telling you right now, what researchers discovered is genuinely shocking. It's almost the exact opposite of what most men have been led to believe. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know the truth about what daily masturbation really does for your prostate, both the good and the potential downsides, and how to protect your health in the most natural way possible. But before we dive in, quick favor, tell me in the comments where you're watching from today. I love seeing how far this community of strong, health-conscious men reaches around the world. And while you're here, hit like and subscribe. It helps us grow and keeps these important conversations going. All right, let's bust the myth head on. The old belief was simple. The more you ejaculate, the more you drain your body. The prostate supposedly gets inflamed, weakened, and left vulnerable to disease. But here's the truth. Backed by world-class science, frequent ejaculation, whether through sex or masturbation, is not harmful to your prostate. In fact, studies suggest it may actually protect it. The most famous research came out of Harvard. Scientists followed nearly 32,000 men for almost 2 decades, tracking their health outcomes and lifestyle habits. And here's what they found. Men who ejaculated 21 or more times per month had a 33% lower risk of developing prostate cancer compared to men who ejaculated only 4 to 7 times. Let me repeat that. More frequent ejaculation was linked to less cancer risk, not more. This discovery completely flipped the conversation. What was once feared as dangerous suddenly became one of the simplest, most natural ways men could support long-term prostate health. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Nora Hayes. I'm a urologist, and for the past 7 years, I've worked with men over 50 who are navigating everything from prostate concerns to erectile function to staying confident and comfortable in their daily lives. I can't tell you how many times patients lean in during a consultation and whisper, "Doc, be straight with me. Am I hurting myself if I do it too often?" And every time I smile and say, "Let's talk about what the science actually shows." Because the truth isn't scary, it's empowering. So, let's dig into the details together. I'm going to walk you through the 3 leading theories that explain why daily ejaculation may protect your prostate, the habits and mistakes that can turn a healthy practice into a harmful one, and finally, a simple action plan you can use to keep your prostate and your confidence strong. Let's start with the big question. Why on earth would frequent ejaculation lower your cancer risk? Scientists don't know every detail yet, but there are 3 powerful theories. Theory number 1, the cleansing effect, aka the stagnation hypothesis. Think of your prostate like a small factory. Its main job is to produce the fluid that mixes with sperm to create semen. Now imagine if that fluid just sits there day after day without being released. Over time, old cells and potentially harmful byproducts can build up in the duct of the prostate. The theory is that regular ejaculation acts like a flush. It clears out old fluid, dead cells, and possibly even carcinogens before they can cause inflammation or cellular damage. Biologically, this makes sense. Emotionally, it offers peace of mind. You're not weakening your prostate, you're actually helping it stay clear and healthy. Practically, it means daily masturbation might be serving as your body's own built-in maintenance routine. Theory number 2, healthier cell turnover. Every time a cell divides, there's a tiny chance for error. a genetic mutation that could someday turn cancerous. Some scientists believe frequent ejaculation may promote healthier cellular turnover in the prostate. By encouraging old cells to be replaced more often, it reduces the chance that damaged cells linger long enough to mutate. Think of it like
replacing the air filter in your car before it clogs. Preventive care at the cellular level. Theory number 3, stress reduction and inflammation control. We know chronic stress and inflammation are major risk factors for cancer in general. Ejaculation lowers stress hormones like cortisol and boosts feel-good chemicals like oxytocin and dopamine. That calming, relaxed state isn't just in your mind. It has a direct biological effect on inflammation throughout the body. Lower stress equals lower inflammation equals a healthier environment for your prostate cells. Now, these theories combined paint a remarkable picture. Far from being harmful, daily masturbation might actually be one of the simplest natural tools for protecting your prostate long-term. But, and this is important, no single habit is a magic bullet. Daily ejaculation alone won't erase risks if other parts of your lifestyle are working against you. So, let's talk about the mistakes many men make when it comes to masturbation and prostate health, because these can undo the benefits if you're not careful. Gentlemen, this is where the rubber meets the road. Here are the 10 mistakes I see most often and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, thinking it's a magic cure. Yes, ejaculation helps, but it's not a replacement for diet, exercise, and regular screenings. Think of it as one tool, not the whole toolbox. Mistake number 2, ignoring diet. A poor diet loaded with processed foods and sugars raises inflammation. Tomatoes, green tea, omega-3s, those directly support prostate health. Don't skip them. Mistake number 3, neglecting exercise. Daily masturbation doesn't cancel out a sedentary lifestyle. Exercise improves circulation, hormone balance, and lowers obesity risk, all crucial for prostate health. Mistake number 4, bad posture. Hunched over in a chair, pinching nerves in the pelvis. Over time, this can cause numbness or pelvic pain. Always choose a relaxed, supportive position. Mistake number 5, too much porn, not enough imagination. Relying solely on extreme porn can rewire the brain, making real intimacy harder. Balance it with imagination or real experiences. Mistake number 6, overdoing it. Multiple times a day for long stretches can cause testicular ache or pelvic congestion. Moderation matters. Listen to your body. Mistake number 7, ignoring red flags. If you can perform solo but not with a partner, or if your erections are getting weaker, don't ignore it. That could signal diabetes, heart disease, or low testosterone. Mistake number 8, using it as your only stress outlet. Masturbation can lower stress, but if it's your only coping tool, it can become a crutch. Add exercise, social connection, or meditation to your toolkit. Mistake number 9, guilt and shame. Carrying old cultural or religious shame about self-pleasure can eat away at your self-esteem. This is natural biology, not a moral failing. Mistake number 10, skipping medical checkups. Daily masturbation won't replace the PSA test or digital rectal exam. Regular screenings are still the #1 way to catch prostate issues early. So here's your balanced action plan. If you enjoy daily masturbation, relax. Science shows it's not only safe, but likely protective for your prostate. Pair it with a prostate-friendly diet rich in vegetables, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Stay active, at least 30 minutes of moderate movement most days. Watch your posture, mix up your routine, and don't rely solely on porn. Most importantly, don't skip your regular checkups. Masturbation is maintenance, not a miracle cure. Gentlemen, I know this topic comes with a lot of shame, fear, and silence, but I want you to hear this clearly. You are not damaging yourself by keeping your body active. You are not less of a man for taking care of yourself. In fact, the evidence shows the opposite. You're protecting one of the most vital aspects of your health and dignity. Your body deserves respect, not guilt. So, what does daily masturbation do to your prostate? Not what the myths warned you. Not weakness, not damage, but potentially one of the simplest ways to keep your prostate clear, your hormones balanced, and your confidence intact. It's not the whole story. You still need diet, exercise, and checkups, but it is a powerful ally. If this video gave you clarity, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And tell me in the comments, what other men's health myths do you want me to bust next? I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, reminding you that age is not the end of vitality. With the right choices, you can keep your freedom, your comfort, and your confidence for decades to come. Stay strong, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next.